everyone and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see from the title, it is a very exciting video. I was reached out to by Online Makeup Academy. And obviously, as you can tell by their name, Online Makeup Academy are an online makeup academy course site. So they hold a range of courses. They are based in the USA. However, obviously I'm from the UK. You can do the courses wherever you are in the world, no restrictions. Going through what Online Makeup Academy do, they have got a huge range of courses. So this can be depending on what sort of style of makeup you want to go into. I went for the elite career path as it has a load of different topics and I tend to do a lot of different work in my makeup work. So it worked really well with running my business as it had the whole business aspect side of it. However, it did also have the makeup application side, which obviously I use the two together to run my makeup business. However, if you are just starting off with makeup and that sounds like a little bit much for you, there are ones that just focus more on the makeup side. So you can do the master makeup class or the advanced makeup class. If you're more into something a little bit gory, there is the special effects makeup class as well. And then there is also a bridal side, so you can do the bridal class, and there is now also a hairstyling class. So if you're more into hair, you can also do that side of it. And when you sign up to the Online Makeup Academy, their courses, honestly, they don't half do them. Like, you get so many topics. I didn't expect how many videos there were going to be, but nothing is half done, nothing is missed. You get absolutely everything you could think of, like from actually starting doing the makeup, how to present yourself, how to look, to actually physically applying the makeup. Everything is gone over in thorough detail. And something else that's really nice about it is the fact that all the tutorials are provided by qualified professional makeup artists, so they know what they're talking about and they've built up their skills, so it's really nice to actually see another makeup artist do that work and learn from them. And with the courses, there are a lot of them, but there's no rush at all. You go at your own pace because you do have lifetime access. Most people do them between 6 and 12 weeks. However, like I said, work it around your work because you've got it forever. There's absolutely no rush and it's better to go at your own pace and really take in the content. And you're never on your own. You have got mentorship from the tutors. So when I joined, I got a personalised video, and then when you complete the homeworks and when you actually do go through the course, you do actually get mentorship back to you as well. So they sort of go over what you've done and sort of help you out, so you're never on your own. It's all very personalised and it's very one-to-one. As I mentioned before, I'm from the UK. It's a US course. There's no restrictions on where you are in the world, so whether you're also from the UK, Australia, or wherever you're from, there's no restrictions. You can do the course wherever, and there's also no age restriction either. So if you've just finished school or still in school and you really want to get into makeup, there's no reason why you can't take this course. So I'm just going to go in depth today about how I found the course and my honest opinion. So I am a freelance makeup artist. I've been doing my business now for about 2 years, and I did originally train at a makeup cosmetology school. I did this many years back. And having that sort of comparison with the in school compared to the online teaching, I kind of wanted to go into that and honestly sort of de-influence you from going to a makeup school. So these are just all of my honest thoughts from doing the course, how I found it, and just what I think from a freelance makeup artist's point of view. So I wanted to sort of start off with the time element of it. So before Online Makeup Academy even reached out to me, I was looking online at doing a few like makeup top-up courses, as it's always nice just to refresh and relearn when you're in the industry. However, now running my own makeup business, time is one of the most difficult factors with trying to fit in learning around doing my own business. So this was a massive pro to Online Makeup Academy because obviously it's all there in front of you. You've got it for life. There's absolutely no rush. I could go through the course at a time that suited me. So obviously weekends are just a massive no-go. I'm always busy at the weekends working on clients. Also throughout the week, I'm doing bits here, bits there. I'm catching up on admin. There's just so much to do. Having the course as an online element rather than an in-school element is so useful because I can just go through it in the morning. So when I have my breakfast and my morning coffee, I can just sit there for a couple hours before I even start work and just go through a few more topics and go through the school. Also, something that I really like to do at the end of the day, I just find it so therapeutic to learn. So again, I would just sort of go through a few more topics on the school at the end of the day and just have that as almost like a little bit of relaxation, a cool down, and just something really nice to end the day on. So this was a massive benefit to doing it at the Online Makeup Academy over going to a makeup cosmetology school. Obviously with a school, when it's in person, a lot of the times it's like weekdays, you'll be there 9 to 5 or 10 till 4. And that just wasn't going to work around my business, unfortunately. Realistically, a lot of people work, a lot of people are busy, you may have kids, you may have your own business, and it's so hard to try and fit that around your actual life. So by having it online and having it at a time that suits you, it's so much more practical. Along the line with times is pace. So with the course, I can actually go at my own pace. So there are so many topics that you go through, so you can see full tutorials, look at face shapes, eye shapes, colour matching, sanitization. There's so much to go through, and to be able to sort of take that at my own pace is a lot better than being sat in a classroom having to go at a pace that they set for everyone. When I was learning about certain topics, such as things like eyeshadow application or colour matching, if I had a big job before then and I thought actually that really relates to my job, there was no reason why I couldn't go back and rewatch that the night before I had my job just to refresh my mind. Whereas at a school, you're sort of stuck with, you've learnt that once, read it back in your book if you've written anything down, we're not going through it again. Which I find is hard because for me, repetition definitely stays in my head. So having the ability to go back and re-watch things that I've already watched before is really useful. And again, knowing that I've got lifetime use of it is just so relaxing to me, because it doesn't matter whether it's tomorrow or 3 years down the line. If I want to refresh on the face shapes, I can do. In saying that as well, if I was doing a topic and I did find that something confused me a little bit and I wasn't quite sure on what it meant, you do actually have a little comment section in the part underneath the video, so you can actually comment and just say, hi, we were learning about this eyeshadow technique, which brush would you recommend, or is there a certain way that I need to do this or do that? And someone will get back to you and comment and just let you know, like, honestly, the answer to your question. So even if you did have a question or you weren't quite sure on anything, you can actually get in touch with Online Makeup Academy. They will get back in touch with you and they give you all of the guidance that you need. Saying that as well, when I first joined, I actually got a personalised video saying, hi Phoebe, welcome to the course. Like, it made me feel really like invited. It wasn't like with a classroom when you get a group of people going into a class and you're sort of a number. It felt very personalised to me, and it was just a really nice welcome to the course itself. Along with the online tutorials, throughout you do also get like PDFs. So that was really nice, again, to sort of look back at my own pace. You can download all the PDFs and have them to hand forever, which is amazing. And they're just really good to sort of, you can be looking through your PDF while the tutorial's watching. You can make notes on your PDF, go back and listen to it again. The whole having it at your own pace just works so much better for me. I fully believe that everyone learns in a different way, and having a classroom full of people when people might be talking and might be disturbing you, I found it really hard when I went to makeup school and that happened. Whereas I can sit in silence and watch my tutorials and read my booklet, and it's so much nicer. Along with the tutorials as well, there are so many career opportunities. I did find when I went to a makeup school, it was very much like you learn the practical side of it, you learn like the theory of makeup, you can apply it on people and it's job done. Like, okay, like you can do makeup now, like done. Like that's what we're teaching you, that's what it is. Whereas when I was looking through the course and having a look at what is included there, they had so many different elements, not just doing the makeup, obviously you got the sanitisation, but actually the whole career aspect, which I feel like at a makeup cosmetology school, they never actually teach you. It's all very, you can apply makeup, you can do this, and then job done. Whereas the thing I loved about this is that they teach you how to do the makeup. Here you go, you can apply the makeup, this is what you use to apply it. Now next step is, how are you going to get out there? How are you going to network? And that was just a really useful part of the course, that honestly, the money you spend on the course, you would spend just for that element. Like, people would pay just for the business bit, but you're getting that included in the course. Like your income, portfolio, and even getting feedback on your work. So that was like really useful to me. As a business owner as well, it's really nice to look back on and see actually, oh, I'm not doing that. That's really useful. I could do that myself. Or I've been doing the opposite of what they're saying here. Maybe it's worth me trying this and marketing myself this way, because even though you own a business, you're always learning. So to have that whole side of the course as well was really, really useful. And I just found it's almost like they're guiding you into the world of makeup compared to just teaching you how to do makeup and leaving you be like they would at a makeup cosmetology school. And don't get me wrong, learning how to do makeup is a really, really important part. Obviously you can't run your makeup business if you don't know how to apply makeup, but actually getting you out there, setting your goals and networking is just as big, if not bigger, on how to actually get your business going. So having that in the course, honestly, I can't even stress enough how much that was worth it. Like, people pay thousands for that and it's included. It's included in the course. It's really, really good. It's ridiculous. Honestly, it's almost ridiculous, but it's really, really good. Another thing I did want to speak about in comparison to cosmetology school and the course is cost. So this is one of the massive things that I was looking at when I was looking at boosting my skills again. So when I was looking at joining like a makeup course, they did range, a lot of them, from about £4,000 to £22,000. And these ranged in time, so a few of them were like a couple weeks, whereas some of them were like up to 10 months. And obviously again, for the makeup courses, these were all in-person courses. However, with the online makeup academy, the elite course that I did was only $1,599, which again, remember, that included all of the business side of things, which on its own, people pay thousands for. But that's included in the course, along with all the tutorials, all of the PDFs, all of the topics. It goes through bridal, it goes through glam makeup, it goes through mature makeup, it goes through skin prep, it goes through natural makeup. Like, regardless of if you're a makeup artist or someone that's just enthusiastic about makeup, you will get absolutely everything in this course, including an entire business section for a fraction of the price of just a makeup course, without actually helping you to network and teach. That is one of the main things that drew me to an online course anyway, is the fact that not only can you do it at your own time around your work and at your own pace, it's also a fraction cheaper and you're getting so much more. Like, it's just a win-win. So not only that, but at the end of the online makeup academy course, you also get a certificate with your name on it to say that you have completed the course and you are now trained in makeup. And I did check, and this certificate is also recognised by industry professionals and employers. This again supports the fact that you can go into the industry and get a job. So you can take your certificate and take your work and what you've done, your portfolio, and go into Sephora or go into MAC and actually start working in the makeup industry. To finish off, one of the most exciting parts about the course, when you finish it and you are a pro makeup artist, there's no reason why you shouldn't get a pro discount. So Online Makeup Academy provides you with a pro discount of up to 40% off major makeup brands. So exciting. So you're not stuck in building your kit. You've got that discount to help you out to then build your kit and then start getting your clients and working in the industry. So this is everything I found from doing the online makeup course. I really, really love it. It's just something I'm always going to go back to. I just find it so useful in my work and I just couldn't fault it in any way, to be honest with you. So if you are interested in doing the course, as a treat, I have got a $100 off code. I will link that below in the description. If you have any questions at all regarding the course, please drop me a comment in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. The link for the courses are also in the description, and I'll also name which course I did there. It was the elite makeup course. Obviously there are a range of different courses. However, if you're looking for the full works, including the business side of it, the elite makeup course is definitely the one to go for. That is what I did. So again, that's all in the description bar below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much Online Makeup Academy for getting in touch and helping me with my business, helping me to learn more in my makeup. I couldn't have picked a better course and I'm just so grateful that you got in touch. Like I said, any questions, let me know below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you again for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!